Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in a bonus video throughout the week. And with that being said, you guys, it is part 2 of my Gucci Marmont mini bag. I think that's what it's called. So if you want to see what fits in here and how it looks on my body, then please keep watching. Okay, so here is the bag. Fill the bag up, y'all. I just wanted to share this really quick Gucci unboxing. I did get this here off of the Sephora website because if y'all are not VIB or VIB Rouge, you know, if you accumulate points, you can use those points towards $10 and $20 off. So I did use 500 of my points to get $10 off of this. No, I shop. But if I can save by any means necessary, I'm here to save. This here, I think, retails for $62. So, of course, with the $10, I only paid $52. Here is the 04. This here, if I didn't mention, is the new Gucci bronzer. And, y'all, when I tell you this packaging, I brought it because of the packaging. Like, look how beautiful this packaging is. And it comes in this pink felt little pouch. It's Gucci across. Here is the inside, and it does have like a perfumey smell, but again, that doesn't bother me. Like if you are sensitive to smells or scents, it may bother you, but like I said, I'm not sensitive to smells or scents, so that doesn't bother me at all. But you guys, look how beautiful this hair bronzer is. 04 and 05. 05 was a little too dark. 04 was like my perfect shade. I don't want to swatch it, y'all, but I just wanted to show you. I'm trying to lift this up without put my finger in it. And then here you get a Gucci brush. Of course, nobody never used the brushes that comes along with the product, but I took it out the plastic and I just said, even though if I don't use it, I'm gonna just keep it in here, because as you can see, it goes along with the front part of the Gucci powder. So yeah, you guys, I just thought this was so cute. So if you are like my skin color, you may want to try 04. This is what I wanted to show you before I do the whole review on this particular bag. Here is the packaging. So here's the bag, and that's the chain here on the table. So what I decided, okay, phone off. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this phone off, because a lot of times when I'm filming and trying to show y'all things, I'll be pressing buttons and stuff. Reference, this here is the iPhone 10. I haven't upgraded yet, y'all. Like, yeah, I have the iPhone 10. It's the front of the bag. So let's say I put my cell phone in here, which it can fit. And what else I would carry? A card case in this here particular bag, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to place it in here. Just wanted y'all to see how it will fit here. As you can see, it do fit. Now, putting this in here, it doesn't give it a lot of room. Here is my hand sanitizer. I do have this big bulky AirPod case, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this out the case for the sake of the video, because I'm sure with this here particular bag, okay, let me see. Okay, so since I couldn't grab my AirPods out the case, I just grabbed my old AirPods that I had a case to. Like, I had an extra case. So let's just say you have small AirPods like this, and then I also grabbed a lip product, because wherever I go I need a lip product. I have the AirPods, and then I also have my lip product. Move stuff around. Everything fits with that big card case, and I'm gonna go ahead and close it up. So everything fits perfectly here in the bag. You do have room for maybe a little more, but like I said, that's all I would carry in this here particular bag. There's no reason for me to carry anything extra or anything more. And for the sake of the video, I just threw that Kate Spade card case in here. If I do decide to carry this bag, I probably would more so carry something small like this and then place my keys on like a key ring. Because I don't have a key ring, like everything I have is attached to something, because I was going to pull out my Louis Vuitton key ring thing, but then I was like, that's going to be kind of big and bulky. So now what I'm gonna do is I probably look for like a keychain or something just to throw my keys on for now when I carry this here little bag. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get up and show you some modeling shots just so y'all can see how it looks on my body. So here's the bag crossbody. As you can see, it hangs at a good spot on me. Taller than me, I'm not sure how that may work out. Again, I am 5'1", 5'2", so as you can see, it lays really, really nice on my particular body. And like I said, I never thought in a million years I will even like something like this, but when I tried it on that day, I was like, oh my gosh, I love this little cute thing. It's just so cute. Like, oh my goodness. And also wear this as a shoulder bag. Like I said, I don't normally do shoulder bags. When I carry bags like this, I more so carry them as crossbody bags. Tuck the strap in the inside. Use it as a little clutch. I'm not going anywhere to wear clutches, so the only thing with the clutch, trying to stick the only thing with trying to stick the chain in here, you would have to try to figure it out where as though you can still close the bag. I'm sure playing around with this you can figure something out, but for the sake of the video, we ain't got time for that. Like, this bag here is just so cute, you guys. Like, practical everyday type of bag. Like I said, if I didn't have, like, I wouldn't purchase this and didn't have my Marmont. I would rather have purchased the Marmont, because again, you can hold a lot more, you can do a lot more with that. But since I already have the Marmont in small, I was like, okay, let me treat myself to this, because this is a lot cheaper than the smaller version. Previous videos, I didn't want to purchase two of the same bags, even though they were different colors, because this here is in the Marmont family, but this here is a totally different bag, y'all. So this is a bag I would take to the amusement parks, and the reason why is because you don't have to worry about, you know, anything damaging on the bag, because as you can see, the bag is all leather. If it got wet or anything like that, like, you wouldn't damage the bag if you had got it wet, like if you was on, you know, one of them little water rides or whatever. But yeah, y'all came for this hair beauty, and so did I. Like, I'm so bummed that these GGs have that there, because I wasn't expecting that. So I'm gonna take everything out just to show you how I would carry this bag without the card case. And I did have my hand sanitizer. We're going to take this hair chain out. Now I'm going to try it two more ways. The last way, I'm going to try it with my cards in here instead of the card case. For the sake of the video, we're going to do the card case second. Now this here is the Gucci card case. This is why I purchased the yellow, like I said, to have that pop of color alongside with this here pink. I'm going to place that in here, and then I'm going to also place my iPhone 10, and hopefully when they come out with the new phone, it won't be that much bigger. And here are my AirPods, ones that I have, but the ones for the sake of the ones that I'm using for the sake of the video. Inside, hand sanitizer. Now I'm not sure about this, because as you can see, there's no way to cover, so I'm not sure if this will leak. Because if it will leak, I'm not sure if it will stain the inside of this bag. So I don't know, y'all. I gotta see. Do need hand sanitizer. And I also still have room for a face mask, but I don't have the face mask to show right now. And my lip products. And let's just take off the keys. Now this here card case I do like a lot, but the only thing here, this here pops open by itself. Because one day when I was going to the mailbox, my keys had fell off. When I took the key off, and then I was doing something, next thing you know, all my keys fell off, and I was like, okay, so now I have to be really careful with this. The only thing about this here piece, which I thought was a lot easier, because you know, you can take your keys on and off without having to twist it around, but This here is a little dangerous because if you're not paying attention, you can lose your keys. Here are my apartment keys. So I do have room for that. So as you can see, everything do fit inside of the bag. Do zipper. So I didn't have to take the iPhone case off because as you can see, I do have room. But for the sake of the video, I'm not going to worry about putting it back on because y'all know that it can fit. Here is the bag full. Nothing is out of place or anything like that. Like I said, I don't like to stuff my bags to where as though the shape start looking all wonky and funny looking. Everything fits. Now, let's say, let me see. Say I wanted to carry this FX mirror. And I'm sure my Blotterazzi would fit in here, but it's somewhere in the closet. And for the sake of the video, I'm not going to go get it. But here, I can put my setting powder in here. So I can put that here in the back, which is behind my iPhone. And I still can zipper the bag up. See the powder here on the back, so I probably would have to just move it around for it to sit flat. Let me do that really quick. So I would just place it here on the top because I'll be able to again close the bag. As you can see, everything fits in this bag. That's why I said this bag, for this bag to be so small, it holds a lot. It holds your essentials or whatever, because when you carry something like this, of course you know you can't carry everything you normally carry. So like I said, this here would be that bag I would carry if I run to TJ Maxx or if I run to the grocery store, if I go to Walmart. As of now, you know, we not really doing too much, so my outings consist of me going to TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods, or I don't know, the Walmart, Target, and things like that. So this here would be the bag I would carry. Small, more amount right now, because like I said, I probably will use that towards the winter time. Here is the inside of the bag one more time. Now I'm gonna take everything out, and this time I'm gonna use the card case. The card case would give you plenty of room for more things. These cards that's here and here, I'm gonna use this Walmart gift card, my Starbucks card. This here, like I said, only holds 2 cards, so most likely I probably would put my driver's license and my credit cards that I usually use. Are the 2 cards that I will place if for whatever reason. Now the only thing with this, I will need my gate card. I will probably have to again still carry my card case because I can't get inside of my apartment without the gate card. So I will definitely need to carry my gate card some way. So I probably will put everything in here and leave out the Kate Spade wallet. So we're going to leave out the Gucci card just for now, so y'all can see how much room would be in this bag without the card case. My cell phone and my compact mirror in the back. Have my now I can put my actual AirPods in here, which are the AirPod Pros. That case is pretty bulky, so as you can see, it did take up a lot of room. And here are my house keys and my mailbox keys. Those only keys that I need. And my car keys is in the living room. I forgot about the car keys. Then I also have room for my lip product, which I place on the side of the bag. And last but not least, I have room for my hand sanitizer. And I still have room to fold up my face mask, because you can't go in stores without it. So I'm still able to close the bag, and everything fits in here perfectly in this little cute baby. Yo, when I tell you, this here is so cute. Like, I'm so bummed that I even have to deal with the whole calling Gucci and figuring something out. Like, really, like, y'all didn't see this when y'all was wrapping up, like packaging up the stuff to ship out. Because if I worked in the Gucci warehouse, I would have said, hold up, y'all, look at this, let me go ahead and fix this, because I'm sure whoever purchased this, they're going to be calling us to return it. And I guess they probably don't even care. Not that they don't care, they probably be moving so fast they that maybe they don't even pay attention. I don't know, y'all, because I don't work at the Gucci warehouse. I would love to, because I'd love to be that person to pack up bags. I'd be like, oh, look what they getting. Oh, look what she got. Oh, this is cute. Like, I'll be that one at the Gucci, working at the Gucci warehouse, all in everybody else's orders. Besides that, you guys, this here is a really cute bag. It fits my particular lifestyle as of now, because like I said before, I don't really go nowhere like that, and I don't need to carry my whole house, if you get what I'm saying. But I took out the bigger iPods, and I'm gonna put the small ones in, because you have more room with the the smaller AirPods, and I do still have room for my hand sanitizer, and I do have room for my face mask. I'm gonna go ahead and close this up and go ahead and wrap this video up. So if you never saw this bag and you just saw it here on my channel, and you like, okay, Miss Tamika, look what you done started. Like, yeah, I appreciate you guys, and I appreciate everyone, like I said before, who takes the time out to watch my videos, who takes the time out to subscribe to my videos, and also share my videos. So with that being said, you guys, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and my notification bell, so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, you guys, me and Gucci will see you guys.